Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can reset your password in Outlook. Watch the video till the end so that you'll be able to do the following activity by yourself. Before moving on to the video, make sure you like and subscribe to our channel. Okay, now let's move straight into the video. Open your Outlook app on your phone. Enter your email address. Then tap on Add Account. To reset your password, tap on Forgot Password. Now, how do you like to get a security code?
Select the email option so that it will send code to that email.
Now, enter the email that is related to your Outlook account. Then tap on Get a Code. Now, a verification code will be sent to your email. For example, this one. Then right here is your code. Copy this code, then go back and then paste it right here. Then tap on Next. Now enter your new password, then retype your password. Then tap on Next. Now your password has been changed. You'll get a notification on your Gmail and Outlook that your password has been changed. Then tap on Sign In. Now retype your password here, just in case that you're the one who changed it. Then tap on Sign In. Tap on Next. Tap on Accept. Tap on Continue to Outlook. And this is how you change your password and reset your password on Outlook. Thank you so much for watching till the end. That is all for today. If this video was helpful for you, do like, share, leave a comment down below, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you'll get notified when we post new videos.